Hi, I'm Theresa Barreiro, and I am running for Kane County Circuit Clerk.
Tell me a little bit about yourself and the experience you would bring to this campaign.
Well, I am on the Kane County Board. I've been on the board for 8 years now. Prior to that, I have over 30 years' experience in government. I worked for the City of Aurora and the Kane County Clerk's Office, and I also worked for a financial advisor. When I was at the City of Aurora, I worked in building and inspections, community development, and for the city clerk. When I worked for the Kane County Clerk's Office, I was the passport liaison and I handled marriage, death, and birth records. So I have a little background in government and how it operates.
And some time on the county board.
Yes, the past 8 years, yes.
What sort of experience have you had there that can help you?
Well, I served on the Judicial and Public Safety Committee for 4 years, and I got to see a lot that goes on through the court system, and that was back when Chief Judge Braca was in charge of the 16th Judicial Courts. I truly have a passion for government, and watching what's been going on at the Circuit Clerk office, I thought I could get in there and maybe make some changes.
Why, what does the clerk of circuit courts do?
Well, the circuit clerk maintains all the records for the 16th Judicial Court. They handle all the computer systems and all the collection and fines, court records, jury duty, anything that pertains to the court system. They take care of all the records. They also are the clerks that you see in a courtroom. So all those employees there are employees of the circuit clerk's office.
And what would you accomplish, or why should I vote for you for clerk?
Well, I think that the circuit clerk's office should put people first. I feel that they should have a study done where they could see what the public would like to see from the circuit clerk's office. I also would like to make sure that the records are kept up to date, that the computer systems are kept up to date. We have put thousands of dollars into the computer system for the circuit clerk's office, and I know that they are behind on collections and fines and fees, and which now I know is a bad time to bring that up, but I'm sure that I can work with the state's attorney's office and bring new ideas to help generate more of those funds coming in.
So you would do things differently then?
Correct.
How?
Correct.
How would
Well, I've been working with Jamie Mosser, who's also running for state's attorney, and we plan on having lots of discussions going forward and implementing new procedures so that we can get the folks in to pay their fines and before it goes to collections. We feel that, and I feel that we can handle all that in-house, that we don't need to have a third-party administrator. Right now, the Kane County Circuit Clerk's Office has a third-party administrator who handles all the collections. So if you don't pay your fines after a certain amount of days, it's automatically generated to that third-party administrator, and they try to collect it from you. But if we implement some programs so that would bring folks in and pay their fines in a timely manner, it would be better for the city, better for the county, and better for the individual that needs to pay the fines.
Sounds like it would save the county some money and bring some money into the county.
Correct. In the long run, it would be a win-win situation.
We've covered a lot of ground. Anything else that you'd like to say before we?
All I would like to say is if anybody has any other information about me, they can look me up on Facebook or on my website, which is www.barreiroforcircuitclerk.com. I also have Twitter and Instagram, and they're also barreiroforcircuitclerk.com.
Great. And your name again and title?
My name is Theresa Barreiro, and I am the Democratic candidate for Kane County Circuit